is my bike check. Start in the front. Primo, shut the fuck up. Primo Sam Squanch bars, 8.5 rise. I think it's 28 wide. Not quite sure. Profile push stem, very nice. ODI long neck grips, and Odyssey par bar ends. Demolition headset, which is on wrong. Premium forks off of a premium Broadway. Alienation deviant front rim, and then the spokes and the hub are off premium stock Broadway. Demolition momentum tires. Premium 1948 cranks. They're not spline, I don't think. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They're really good, but I wore them down a lot.
Turn the book
Call
around.
OS Rasta sprocket.
Very nice.
I don't know if I already said the seat. Did I say the seat?
No.
Demolition DFAT with
stolen
thermal seat post. Shadow conspiracy. Do you mind? Shadow conspiracy chain. And then the back wheels off a stock premium Broadway. Oh yeah, and the frame is a Colt OS V2. That's my bike.
Make it relax.
Wait. Well, I'll do a sound check because I guess people care about
Hub
that.
sound.
Because people care about that.
Come on. Don't fail now.
Now that's my bike check.
Yeah.
Good.
That just ruined the whole fucking video.
Next on my bike.
Next on my butt.
Do one trick for us. A bunny hop. Let's see if you can do that. Oh my god, he got it. Okay.
Still videotaping?
We're done now.
You just ruined the whole video.
Fuck off.